everyone, my name's Jaden and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be customizing our own Walmart knockoff Air Force Ones. I was scrolling through Poshmark the other day and I came across these Air Force Ones that I am literally obsessed with. I'll put a pic in the corner. But they were wanting $220 for them and I was like, I think I could do this cheaper myself. So I know you've all seen the TikToks, I have too. So I went to Walmart and I picked up one of the knockoff pairs of Air Force Ones and a few other supplies, and I'll show you everything you need right now. But honestly, if this works out, which I really think it's going to, these shoes only cost me about $25, which is significantly smaller than $220. So let's get into it. First, you're going to need, obviously, your shoes. I did a size 7 because that is my size. I got the last pair. They are $14.97 to be exact, and you just get it from Walmart. Then I chose these 5 paint colors. I have Little Mocha, Brown Oxide, Territorial Beige, and then Jet Black. They were 50 cents a piece, and I am obsessed with the color scheme, so we'll see how that works. And then I picked up this Kamar Varnish. It was $5 as well, but this is going to last me for a while, so I can use it in other ones as well. You can do Mod Podge if you have Mod Podge. I just went with this because it's what they had at the store. Then I picked up this 4-pack of paintbrushes. They were $3 for all 4 of them, so a good deal. You can keep reusing them. And then finally, I picked up this plate. It was 97 cents. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do is remove all the tags and the shoelaces. Okay, now that we have our shoelaces removed, we are going to start painting them. Since I'm doing cow print over on the corners, I'm going to go on ahead and start painting. I got the top part done. That was the most tedious. So now I'm going to go into actually painting the other parts. Okay, obviously you guys can see we're going to have to do more than one coat. Okay guys, so now I got 2 coats of the tan going on. And now I'm going to put dark brown here and on the very back. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, that took so many coats. Like, I'm gonna say borderline like 10. So I would not recommend using that color. Again, it is brown oxide. It literally took forever. Lastly, I'm going to do the shoelaces because I think it will look better since there's gonna be more white there and it's surrounded in white. Like, it's surrounded by all other colors. So I think it would look better than doing this part right here, another color. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay guys, so this is what they look like so far. They're almost done. I'm gonna do touch-ups, and those are just gonna be kind of tedious, so I'm not gonna do them on the video. And then I am going to take them outside and spray them with this varnish. Again, I'm not gonna be able to get this on video either because I can't take my camera outside and I have to do it outside. But then I will come back in and show you the final product. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Front, side, back. I am literally obsessed. I think they look so good. I'm going to try one on so you can see it on. Alright guys, here's another angle of them on my feet. Down, side, back. I love them. I'll throw the picture down here actually again. Comment how well you guys think I did. And go ahead and subscribe and like while you're down there so I can keep bringing you guys more videos like this. Go check out our last video to enter our giveaway for this Nike crew neck. Because if you don't, I'll keep it myself and I might get in trouble for that. Guys, thanks again so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you all Friday. Bye.